And again, just as a reminder of my previous and very bearish analysis, and I still only trade supply and demand as I see them, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to share this without showing the bigger chart. But what we had here, and that I've talked about before, is we had this a push up, we had a consolidation, we had a push up, unable to take out the high, came and tested the consolidation, lower high, and then dropped through. And this smaller pattern is fairly similar to the bigger pattern here. So I kind of overlaid the smaller pattern on here. And this is my concern, I think, that this second move up has been unable to make a higher high. In the bigger picture, it's also been unable to take out this high. So I'm then concerned that we're just going to get a retest and then a much bigger drop. And then the much bigger concern, which everyone will freak out about, but again I just like to think of the most extreme scenarios, is that we have the same bigger pattern here. Again, we've got a move up, a consolidation, a move up again that's been unable to take out the high. It's come and tested, or potentially it could come and test this zone, but it's not a strong zone because it's been unable to take out the high. You're wanting, when you're looking for the structure to be an up move, you want it to take out the high, and then that would say this demand is strong. As it is, it's only got to here. And yes, of course, it's possible we consolidate through here, make a triangle and go up. So I don't want to be overly bearish, but as always, just trade zones as and when they break. But this is a possibility based on the structure as I see it. Now we could hold this monthly demand and make it, and go and make a higher high from here. Again, this could consolidate through here in a triangle, so I guess we'll just see, but that's just the concern here from a supply demand perspective. My bigger concern is that these zones that we're trading longs from aren't strong zones. In addition, like if you look at the 2-month chart, so you'll remember that I was looking for shorts through here when we hit this 2-month supply. I didn't like, we had hit a monthly demand at the low, but there's a 2-month, 3 months down here that hasn't been tested. So this 2-month supply could have had a rejection, and it did go right to the top and swing failed it. But again, now we're looking at swing failure on the 2-monthly. So really, this month's fairly critical. We just don't want this month to be closing below 2,500, because that's potentially, then we're going to put in a new monthly supply, and then things could get very nasty.